Hey everyone, I'm here again to talk to you about our Summer Discipleship Bible Study program. It's going to be happening for the months of June and July, which means this Sunday, June 7th, is our first Sunday doing this. Now, in case you still have questions, our Summer Discipleship Bible Study, how it's going to work is we're going to start at 9:30, worship in the sanctuary. We're going to be going through a section of Philippians this week. It'll be Philippians chapter 1, verses 1 through 20. What we'll do is we'll study that together in the sanctuary, and then at 10:30 we will go to our Sunday school classes, and from 10:30 to 11:15 we will have discussion questions in which we will follow up on the lesson that we got in the worship service. Now, the idea behind this is, think of it like a joint Sunday school class. We're all coming in together. We're all studying the same scripture together, the same lesson, and then we're going to break into discussion groups into our Sunday school classes. Or you can also think of it as a video study. You ever done a video study where you watch a video and then afterwards you have discussion and questions on what you thought about what they said and the questions posed? Well, it's going to be like that, except instead of watching a video, you're going to have a live teaching service, and then you're going to break into your small groups, your Sunday school classes, to answer questions, to discuss together, to reflect together, and you'll have all those questions there for you to go through together. And that is what it's going to be just for the months of June and July. So for 8 weeks, it's an 8-week Summer Discipleship Bible Study, and we'll be doing that together. So I look forward to seeing you this Sunday at 9:30 in our sanctuary to worship together, and then at 10:30 to go to our Sunday school classes and participate together. Now, some things that will be different this Sunday that we haven't been doing. We will have a nursery at our 9:30 worship service. Basically for any children from 3-year-old and under. So your newborns to 3-year-olds, you will have a nursery over in our normal nursery area. So you can drop your children off and then come to worship at 9:30. For our children at 10:30, parents, you will take your children to their Sunday school classes. They will have their Sunday school lessons. They'll have their Sunday school teachers and all that while you go to yours. Now, as far as classes being moved around, there's only 2 classes swapping. Cornerstone class, you're now going to be meeting in the gym in the table talk room. The youth will be moving over to the Cornerstone room. And table talk, you may be asking, well, where are we at then? You're going to be upstairs in the youth room. Again, this is just for a couple weeks while we still sift through the COVID and high-risk adults. So as we get into summer, get closer to August, we'll go back to our normal class areas, our normal curriculum for Sunday schools. All that will go back to normal beginning in August. But just for the summer, just for this moment, we're going to be doing a summer Bible study together. And again, why are we doing that? Man, we've spent so much time apart that this would be a way for us all to be doing the same thing together. And we'll all have a Bible verse that we are encouraged to memorize each Sunday. So each Sunday we'll tell what that Bible verse is and we'll memorize it together. Again, we're trying to bind our hearts together as a family. And again, this is just a temporary summer discipleship Bible study. So I encourage you to come, be a part this summer as we study the book of Philippians. And I look forward to worshiping with you on Sunday.